VIO Machinery and Equipment is a trusted provider of machinery, equipment, and project solutions. We are located in Shandong Province, China. We deliver construction machinery, agricultural machinery, new energy equipment, spare parts, and industrial vehicles with our own manufacturing facilities. Cooperation with leading Chinese construction machinery manufacturers. We provide reliable equipment and customized solutions for customers worldwide. Our product range includes earth-moving machinery, road construction machinery, lifting machinery, aerial working machinery, trucks and special vehicles, concrete machinery, logistics machinery, mining machinery, new energy equipment, agricultural machinery. With years of experience in international trade, we understand the requirements of contractors, dealers, mining companies, and project owners. Our products and equipment have been supplied to customers across Africa, the Middle East, South America, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia. Beyond equipment supply, we support our customers with factory inspections, quality control, export logistics, spare parts services, and technical assistance. We believe that successful projects depend on reliable equipment, dependable service, and long-term partnerships. Over the years, we have built long-term partnerships with customers around the world. Their trust and support drive us to keep improving every day. With professionalism, integrity, and commitment, we work together with our customers for shared success, building trust, delivering value.